Hey Diane, I just wanted to touch base with you about Newsela. I just want to make sure you have your pro account and just kind of give you a couple of things that I noticed when I was watching the video. And we can talk more about Newsela on our planning day, but I just kind of wanted to touch base with you. Remember that the entry point into Newsela is from Canvas. So I was in a Canvas course and now I'm going into Newsela. And remember that I have a pro account, as you should have a pro account. If you do not, at this point in time, have a pro account, I recommend that you log out by clicking up here by your name. You can sign out and then sign back in. Again, the entry point is Canvas, and make sure that you click Teacher. So when you get this pro account, you should have classes already set up for you. If not, you're going to want to go into that classes click that I just showed you, and you're going to want to sync with Canvas. And you should see your students right here, and it's really important to sync up with Canvas so that anytime you get a new student, anytime something happens with PowerSchool, it'll sync up so that all your students will appear for Newsela. Okay, so searching by standards, it is possible to do. So whenever you're ready to check out some of these text sets or collections and you want to search by a specific standard or a specific grade level, if you go into that search engine like you just saw me do and you just say go, a search engine that allows you to drill down appears. You'll see here that you can look at the text sets, you can look at the articles, you can drill down and filter down to reading skills. Now those are the standards that are available. They're all, looks like, nonfiction reading skills. You can drill down to, let's say, 5th grade. Let's say you want to find some argument, some opinion articles because you're teaching opinion in the 3rd quarter, and you want to look at 5th grade. Let's say you can drill down to all these different filters, whatever you decide that you want to have, and then you say go. And then so these articles will appear, and let's say you wanted to look at this one, and let's say you wanted to create an assignment. You would have the ability to create an assignment through this assign button key. You can create this assignment and it'll appear for your students. Your students will be able to access it. Okay, so hopefully that answers a couple questions about Newsela. Know that we'll be having another planning day, and then we can dig down a little deeper if you want to. But most importantly, get into Canvas, make sure you have a pro account, and let me know if you don't so that I can chase that down. Have a good weekend, Diane.